Hello everyone, welcome to Vidatri. ఈ రోజు లైవ్ సెషన్లో మనం బ్యూటిఫుల్ బెనారస్ ఫ్యాన్సీ శారీస్ చూసేద్దాం. సచ్ అ లవ్లీ కలెక్షన్స్ అండ్ దీస్ ఆర్ ద న్యూ అరైవల్స్. మనం లైవ్ స్టార్ట్ చేసే ముందు మన ముగ్ధావారి ద గ్రేట్ ఇండియన్ హ్యాండ్లూమ్ ఫెస్టివల్ ఈ సారి మన కాకినాడలో జరుగుతుంది. సో ఆగస్ట్ 13, 14, 15 3 days కూడా మనకి ప్యారడైన్ సరోవర్ పోర్టికో నియర్ తిరుమల థియేటర్ కాకినాడలో జరుగుతుంది. సో ప్లీజ్ టు విజిట్. అండ్ శారీస్ అన్నిటి మీద కూడా మనకి 20% ఆఫర్ ఇస్తున్నారు. అండ్ ఆల్మోస్ట్ మనకి మొత్తం కూడా వరలక్ష్మి వ్రతం ఆఫర్. సో ప్లీజ్ టు విజిట్ అండ్ ఎక్స్ప్లోర్ అవర్ కలెక్షన్స్ అండ్ యూ విల్ ఫైండ్ యువర్ ఫేవరెట్. అండ్ నేను వేసుకునే వన్ ఆఫ్ ద బ్యూటిఫుల్ కలర్ పింక్ విత్ బ్లూ కలర్ కాంబినేషన్. ఇట్స్ అ నేవీ బ్లూ కలర్ విత్ గోల్డెన్ కలర్ బుట్టీస్ రన్నింగ్ ఆల్ ఓవర్ ద బాడీ. సచ్ ఎ లవ్లీ కలర్ అండ్ బార్డర్ వచ్చేసి చూడడానికి మనకి పట్టు ఫ్యాన్సీ లాగా వస్తుందండి. చాలా బ్యూటిఫుల్ కాంట్రాస్ట్ విత్ గోల్డెన్ జరీ. అండ్ మీరు కనుక శారీ ఆర్డర్ చేయాలనుకుంటే యూ కెన్ జస్ట్ ఆర్డర్ ఫర్ దిస్ నెంబర్ 7396382067. You can either WhatsApp or call on that number such that our team will get back to you. Let's begin the live. So here comes one of the fancy color combination, green with blue. It's a navy blue color border. సో శారీ కూడా చూడొచ్చు మీరు, చాలా బ్యూటిఫుల్గా ఉంది. దీస్ ఆర్ ద వరలక్ష్మి వ్రతం స్పెషల్ కలెక్షన్స్. అండ్ బాడీ ఆఫ్ ద శారీ మొత్తం కూడా మనకి బ్యూటిఫుల్ మోటివ్స్ వస్తుంది విచ్ ఇస్ విత్ గోల్డెన్ కలర్. అండ్ బార్డర్ వచ్చేసరికి మనకి ప్రిటీ డిజైన్స్ వస్తుంది విత్ టైనీ ఫ్లోరల్స్ ఆన్ ఇట్ రన్నింగ్ ఆన్ ఈదర్ సైడ్స్. Such a lovely color combination which suits for all the occasions and especially మనకి వరలక్ష్మి వ్రతం స్పెషల్ ఆఫర్స్ వస్తుంది. అండ్ దిస్ ఇస్ ద పల్లు with the beautiful designs on it which is with a pink color and blue color cross check pattern. Such a beautiful color saree and pallu combination kuda chaala chakkaga vachindi. And deeniki blouse vachesi manaki blue color blouse vastundandi with self embossed pattern. I'll show you. So this is how the blouse comes with self embossed pattern and a thin border, and this is how you can team up. Such a lovely color combination, isn't it? And the saree is priced at 3,999, which are at the best offer price. So hurry up and take your favorite saree from this collection. Such a lovely collection. And saree kuda chala lightweight undandi, very beautiful saree. And this is pink color, Rani pink color with blue color border running on either sides, which is with a navy blue color border. ఈ శారీ కూడా మనకి ఇందాక శారీ లాగే వస్తుంది బట్ జస్ట్ కలర్ డిఫరెన్స్. వీ హ్యావ్ సమ్ కలర్ ఆప్షన్స్ ఇన్ దిస్ కైండ్ ఆఫ్ శారీ. యూ కెన్ కాంటాక్ట్ యువర్ టీమ్ ఫర్ దాట్. అండ్ దిస్ ఇస్ ద పల్లు విత్ క్రాస్ చెక్స్ with pink color and golden color designs on it which is very beautiful. Such a contrast color. And దీనికి మనకి బ్లౌజ్ కూడా సేమ్ ఇందాక శారీ లాగే వస్తుందండి, నేవీ బ్లూ కలర్ with self embossed design. This is how you can team up. Contrast blouse కాబట్టి you can go with the bell sleeves. And this saree is priced at 3,999. This is one more lovely color again from the same design. So this saree comes with navy blue and Rani pink color. Such a traditional combination. This suits for all the occasions, even for the traditional ones. And body of the saree kuda manaki beautiful golden zari designs vastundi. I mean it's like a golden printed pattern and two borders running on either sides which is with a contrast color, pink color, Rani pink color vastundi. This is the pallu with contrast again. Such a beautiful color combination. And deeniki manaki blouse kuda contrast color vastundandi which is Rani pink color which has self embossed designs on it with a thin border. So this is how you can team up. These are the Varalakshmi Vratam special collections. You can just book it online or you can even visit our store which is Vidatri Shopping Mall, PVP Lane, Vijayawada, which is open till 9 PM every day. And for online orders, this is the number. Please to take the screenshot and message to our team. And the saree is priced at 3,999. Almost all the sarees are like 3,999 today, which are at the best offer price. Don't miss out the collection. The sarees are so beautiful. And this is one of the trendy color, blue color with navy blue color border. Such an attractive color which suits for all the age groups. And body of the saree comes with beautiful designer which is with a golden color and two thin borders running on either sides which is a navy blue color and little florals on it. You can see the design even in the video itself. The color of the saree is very pretty. And this is the pallu with a contrast color, navy blue color with checks on it with pink and golden color designs. And for this we have got the contrast blouse which is a navy blue color with a thin border. This is how you can team up. Go with the bell sleeves, it looks more awesome. And this saree is priced at 3,999. this is one of the beautiful colors. Same in kattukuna saree andi, but this comes with a different color. This is pink color, garnish pink, which is little darker but looks very awesome, and you can pair it up with beautiful chokers. And ee saree vachesi manaki chakkati beautiful motifs ostundandi. You can see the saree which has the golden color butties running all over the body, and two thin borders running on either sides with tiny florals on it and with a golden weave. Looks like a pattu. Such a lovely color combination. And this is the pallu with a contrast color and brocade patterns. So golden color to manaki brocade designs vastundi navy blue color meeda. And here is the blouse. Blouse is such a beautiful contrast with different pattern when compared to the previous sarees. You can just take a screenshot of the saree and message to our team such that they will get back to you. And this saree is priced at 2,299. These sarees are at the best offer price. Don't miss out the collections. These sarees will be apt even for the Varalakshmi Vratam and manki emaina traditional occasions unna temples, poojalu emaina unna kuda ee sarees chaala baa set avutundi. Such a lightweight sarees which you can carry out the whole day. And this is navy blue color with pink color combination. The body of the saree comes with beautiful booties which is golden color running throughout the body, and two thin borders running on either sides, which is a pink color with a golden weave. Looks like a pattu border, but it's a fancy collection. And this is the pallu. So pallu comes with light contrast with a golden color saree on it. Such a beautiful color combination. And this is the blouse with self embossed pattern and a thin border. So we can go with the bell sleeves, or you can stitch it till the elbows and go with some maggam works like that. And this saree is priced at 2,299. This is one of the traditional color. Manki poojal antene cream color gurtostundi. So this is such a beautiful color. Don't miss out the saree and color. Do take the screenshot and message to our team immediately so that they will get back to you with the details. And ee saree vachesi manki cream with red color combination. As I said, this is one of the traditional color, and body of the saree comes with golden color booties and two thin borders running on either sides with golden color designs on it with a cross wavy patterns and all. Such a beautiful designer. Looks like a pattu saree, but these are the fancy collections, Banarasi fancy. This is the pallu, which comes in a contrast color with light golden color designs on it, which is brocade pattern. And deenki contrast ga manki red color blouse vastundi. So this is how you can team up such a lovely blouse. And this saree is priced at 2,299. This is one of the attractive color, such a beautiful color. We find it very less often. This is a different shade of green, and body of the saree మొత్తం కూడా golden color butties వస్తుంది. Same నేను వేసుకున్న saree model. So you can just see my saree for the reference. కట్టుకున్నప్పుడు same it looks like that. And the border comes with a navy blue color border with a piping on it and golden color designs running throughout. Very beautiful color saree. Just take the screenshot and message to our team for orders. And this is the pallu, which comes with brocade patterns on a contrast color, looking very beautiful and elegant. And for this we have got the blouse with full of golden design and with self embossed pattern, and this is how you can team up. You can go with this type of sleeves as well. It looks more pretty. And this saree is priced at 2,299. Let's move on with the next color. These are the Benares fancy sarees andi. Such a beautiful one. New arrivals. Vidashri special collections. This is red with black color border. So red with black is one of the beautiful combination, and the body of the saree comes with tiny butties, which is with golden color designs on it. And border, which is a simple and elegant border running on either sides. Thin borders as everyone's favorite. These are the Varalakshmi Vratam special collections, and this is the pallu, which comes with brocade designs on it with a golden color pattern. And manaki thread work kuda ostundandi saree ki. And here is the blouse. So even the blouse comes with golden and black color combination, and this is how you can team up. You can go with half sleeves or bell sleeves, and this saree is priced at 2,299. So the collections are so pretty. Keep your mobiles beside you and just order as soon as possible, and don't miss out your favorite color. This is the opposite contrast, ఇందాక మనం బార్డర్లో బ్లాక్ చూసాం కదా, సో దిస్ ఇస్ ద కంప్లీట్ కాంట్రాస్ట్ అగైన్. సో దిస్ ఇస్ బ్లాక్ కలర్ బాడీ ఆఫ్ ద సారీ విత్ రెడ్ కలర్ బార్డర్. The same design as the previous one. We have some color options in this type of saree. Very soft and lightweight sarees these are. And the body of the saree is having golden color butties with two thin borders running on either sides with the golden zari designs on it. Looks like a pattu border. But these are fancy collections. This is the pallu with brocade patterns on it. These sarees are at the best offer price. Don't miss out your favorite color. Do order immediately. And this is the blouse. This is how you can team up. Such a lovely one. You can wear some beautiful temple jewelry and all. This saree is priced at 2,299. Colors are so pretty and traditional. This is one of the lovely color which gives you a glow up. The golden yellow color which suits for everyone and it looks very pretty on everyone. And the body of the saree is having the beautiful butties, same as the previous saree design, but the color changes. This is with yellow and red combination. Such a lovely color, isn't it? You can just take the screenshot for orders and message to the team. Just take the screenshot of the number board right beside me such that you can order your favorite saree immediately. And this is the pallu which comes with the brocade patterns on it and the blouse. So the blouse comes with self-embossed design and a thin border, and this is how you can team up and wear the chokers. And this saree is priced at 2,299. Please do take the screenshot of the number board right beside me such that you can order your favorite saree. And this is one of the lovely color, copper sulphate blue. So this color attracts everyone, isn't it? Such a lovely color. And దీనికి combination గా మనకి purple color border వస్తుంది. Both are beautiful colors and the body of the saree has got the different florals when compared to the previous sarees. You can just notice the difference, which comes with a golden color florals running throughout the body with purple color border. And this is the pallu which is very pretty with contrast color combination again and beautiful designs on it. And thread finish kuda ostundandi saree ki. And here comes the blouse with beautiful brocade patterns and a thin border. And this is how you can team up. Such a lovely color. I just love this. Order as soon as possible. And this saree is priced at 2,499. You can even visit our store which is Vedatri Shopping Mall, PVP Lane, Vijayawada, and explore our collections over here. And please do take the screenshot of the number board if you want to order online. And you can message to the WhatsApp number or you can just call on to that number. This is one of the lovely colors, sea green with dark blue color border. Such a beautiful combination, and the body of the saree comes with the same floral print which we have seen earlier. And the border comes with plain khadi border types running on either sides. Very fancy saree. Such a lovely collections today. And this is the pallu which comes with the brocade pattern and the navy blue color contrast. And దీనికి combination గా మనకి blouse కూడా contrast వస్తుంది with brocade designs on it. And this is how you can team up. This saree is priced at 2,499. We have multiple color options from the sarees only. Please to call our team. They will get back to you and show you the collections. Don't miss out the sarees. Each and every color is so beautiful and attracts everyone. And this is dark navy blue with pink color border, which is very beautiful with different floral patterns on it, which comes with a golden color. So you can just take the screenshot of the saree for orders and message to the number right beside me. Please do take the screenshot of the number board. And this is the pallu, which comes with a pink color and a brocade patterns on it, looking very lovely, and even the material is so soft. And this is the blouse which comes with brocade designs and a thin border. This is how you can team up, go with the temple jewelry. And the saree is priced at 2,499. These are the Varalakshmi Vratam special collections with our 3 new arrivals. Don't miss out these very beautiful and soft sarees. This is light pista green with green color combination. 2 different kinds of green in the saree, and the body of the saree is having tiny butties which is with a golden color, and border is simple and elegant with floral design on it. Even the florals are with green color pattern, looking very elegant. And this is the pallu which comes with a contrast color, sea blue color with golden color designs on it, which is with బ్యూటిఫుల్ ఫ్లారల్స్. యూ కెన్ జస్ట్ టేక్ ద స్క్రీన్ షాట్ ఆఫ్ దిస్ పల్లు టూ. చాలా చక్కగా ఉంది పల్లు, మనం సింగిల్గా కూడా ఫ్లాంట్ చేసుకోవచ్చు. అండ్ దిస్ ఇస్ ద బ్లౌజ్ విచ్ కమ్స్ విత్ బ్యూటిఫుల్ సెల్ఫ్ ఎంబోస్డ్ ప్యాటర్న్. అండ్ దిస్ ఇస్ హౌ యూ కెన్ టీమ్ అప్, go with the half sleeves or bell sleeves. And this saree is priced at 3,099. So sarees are at the best offer price. You can just order immediately your favorite saree because we have got only one color in single piece. So hurry up. And this is light grey shade with red color border, and this has the florals on it. You can see the border, it's really visible even in the video itself. And the body of the saree has the tiny butties which is with a golden color running throughout the body. Color combination is so perfect. And this is the pallu which has the bigger patterns on it with a golden weave. Looks like a pattu but it's a fancy wear andi. And this is the blouse with a maroon shade and tiny motifs. And this is how you can team up. Such a lovely combination. We have got almost all the sarees with a contrast blouse. That's a highlight of the today's live session. And this saree is priced at 3,099. Let's move the next color from the same collection. This is peach color, one of the traditional color. So peach color suits for all the traditional occasions. Manaki పూజల్లో కూడా బాగా ప్రిఫర్ చేసే కలర్. సో డోంట్ మిస్ అవుట్ దిస్ కలర్. Do take the screenshot and message to our team. And border వచ్చేసరికి మనకి pink color border వస్తుంది which has the florals on it. And the body of the saree is having tiny butties. We have few color options in this type of design. You can contact our team for that. And this is the pallu with bigger patterns, the brocade designs with florals on it. And we have got the blouse which is a pink color and the tiny motifs. And this is how we can team up, go with the chokers. And this saree is priced at 3,099. And that's all for today from the collection of beautiful Banarasi fancy sarees. Hope you loved the live session. Even the prices are at the best offer range. Don't miss out the collections. Do check out the live again once we save it and go through all the sarees and find your favorite. Do come and visit our store which is Vidatri Shopping Mall, PVP Lane, Vijayawada. We are open till 9 PM every day. And do take the screenshot of the number board for online orders. And the number is 73963820067. That's the WhatsApp number you need to message on. Just take the screenshot and message to our team. They will get back to you. And manaki Kakinadalo exhibition jarutundi which is on Paradigm Sarovar Hotel which is near Tirumala Theatre, Kakinada on 13th, 14th and 15th. 3 days complete ga jarutundi morning till night. So please do visit and explore our collections. And we are having 20% off which is like Varalakshmi Vratam offer. Do visit, and within 15 minutes Vidatri Pattu Cheera page lo live ostamu. Please do catch us over there. And till then we are signing off here.